Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. Today is my boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of January. I do receive this for free in PR, so thank you to Ipsy for gifting. And if anyone is questioning why I only have a boxycharm, Ipsy is redoing their creator incubator program and kind of redoing things moving into the new year. So for January, February, and March, I will still be receiving boxycharm. Moving forward from there, I may not be receiving PR from Ipsy anymore. They are, like I said, restructuring things. I hope that I can stay on the list because I love Ipsy, I love boxycharm, but if not, I understand fully. So this is our boxycharm. If you're unfamiliar with boxycharm, it is a $32 monthly beauty subscription. You get 5 full-size products, and it ranges anywhere from makeup, skin, hair, so on and so forth. So let's dive in. I'm super excited. All right, we have our little card. This says Ipsy boxycharm, January 2025. Start the year with a clean slate. Welcome to the year 2025, when living in the future calls for a return to the basics, only better than ever. So there is our card, and we're gonna go in. Right on top, I see the Koa Life Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. We've gotten quite a few products from Koa Life. This is no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Cleanse, hydrate, and glow. Reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Gentle daily vitamin C facial cleanser. Purify and moisturize with nourishing botanicals that leave your skin bright and radiant. And of course, that is a full-size product. Next up, I see the Ofra Midi Palette in Blossom Blush. I feel like Ofra is also a staple in our subscription boxes. I hope everybody is well. Oh, that is so pretty. Ooh, I love that. That is beautiful. But obviously, I'm filming prior to January and me taking down the holiday decor, and I have guests. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to prop myself up right here in the dining room, and we'll film right here. So hopefully you guys like that. Next up is the MZ Skin Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. That sounds amazing. So we are getting a cleanser to help kind of brighten and nourish and hydrate and plump, and then we're also getting our serum. I like that. Next up, cult classic and one of my favorites is the Benefit Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. And of course, everything in here is a full size. And I'm thrilled thus far. The last thing in my boxycharm by Ipsy, aka Ipsy Charm, is a YC Collection Island Eyeliner Duo. And they're in the shades San Juan and La Perla. Let's see what shades those are. And I like the packaging. It does have like the little smudger on one end. And they are black. Ooh, and like a beautiful, it looks like a varnished kind of goldy green. Ooh, really pretty. I do have this really bright light in front of me though, so I can't really tell. Oh, that is super creamy. That's a beautiful duochrome. I'm seeing like a little bit of like neutrality to that, but it's got a beautiful like shimmer to it. Oh, ooh, that is beautiful. And of course, classic black. They are incredibly creamy and incredibly intense. Those are beautiful. Oh, I'm thrilled, you guys. Like, this is, of course, a spoiler for you guys. Kind of give you an idea, a little sneak peek into what we could get for the month. So, again, we got our eyeliner duo. We got our little midi palette. These could be used for blush, blush toppers, eyeshadows. We got our skincare, our Koa Life Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser, as well as the MZ Skin Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. Yes, please. And then our roller lash from Benefit. I'm thrilled. I think that is a nice curated box. I think they're still kind of staying on theme as far as like skincare and stuff like that, with it being, you know, winter and colder months. So yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm looking forward to kind of seeing all the changes and stuff that they make, and hopefully I stay on the list. If not, then of course that affords other beauties the opportunity to receive PR. And I'm incredibly grateful for the few years that I have been, you know, in the program. I'm super grateful. Like I've said and do say all the time, I've received my paid for little, you know, Ipsy glam bags since March of 2015, so almost 10 years. And I love it. I think it's a fantastic bang for the buck. I think the value is always there. But that's it. What did you guys think? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you'll stick around, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.